Frustrated that you can't uninstall Microsoft Edge from Windows 11? The uninstall button is usually grayed out in settings. But don't worry. In this guide, I will show you 2 clean step-by-step methods to remove Edge, including a registry tweak if you are comfortable with advanced settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are tackling a tricky Windows 11 problem, uninstalling Microsoft Edge. By default, Windows locks down Edge as a system app, but there are safe ways to remove it. We will walk through 2 methods, one using the registry for power users and another simpler approach for everyone else. Preliminary steps. Before you start, install another browser. Ensure Chrome, Firefox, Brave or another browser is installed so you are not left without web access. Create a restore point. Registry edits can affect system behavior. A restore point gives you a safety net. Major Windows updates may reinstall Edge or re-enable it. You can repeat these steps if needed. Method 1. Enable uninstall via Registry Editor. Open Registry Editor, press Windows key, type Registry Editor and run as administrator. Click Yes on USE. Navigate to Edge uninstall entry. Go to this path in the left pane. HKey_local_machine, then software, then wow6432 node, then Microsoft, then Windows, then current version, then uninstall. Find the Microsoft Edge folder. Its key name may look like an app GUID. Select it. In the right pane, double-click No Remove. Set value data to 0 and click OK. Restart your PC. This applies the registry change. Now uninstall Edge from Settings. Right-click on the Start menu, then select Settings, then go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Microsoft Edge. Click the 3 dots and select Uninstall. Restart again when prompted. If no remove is missing, Edge may be managed by a different entry version. Check other Edge-related keys under Uninstall or go to the next method. If uninstall still disabled, reconfirm the value is 0 and restart again. Method 2. Remove Edge using Wise Uninstaller. Download and install Wise Uninstaller. Open your browser, download the free Wise Uninstaller and install it. Uncheck optional offers during setup, then finish. Open Wise Uninstaller. Select Microsoft Edge from the applications list. Click Force Uninstall, then Yes to confirm. When prompted, click Select All to include remaining files and registry entries. Click Remove and OK when done. Now go to the browser extension section. Select Microsoft Edge related extension. Choose Uninstall to remove associated extensions. Next, go to the Metro Apps section. Select Microsoft Edge and click Save Uninstall. Restart your PC. This finalizes removal. If any step is blocked, right-click Wise Uninstaller and run as admin. Method 3. Check program files and app data. If folders remain in program files or app data, delete them manually after the uninstall and restart. Press Win+I to open File Explorer. Navigate to C:/program files. Look for a folder with the name of the uninstalled program. If found, right-click the folder, then select Delete. If Windows says the folder is in use, restart again and retry. Now check AppData. Press Win+R, type %appdata% and press Enter. This opens C:/users/your username/appdata/roaming. Look for Edge and delete it. Go back to AppData and check local folder. Delete any leftover folders related to the program. Next, empty recycle bin. Right-click the recycle bin, then select Empty Recycle Bin to permanently remove the files. Some Windows features might attempt to use Edge. They will work with your default browser if supported. Otherwise, they may prompt you. Feature updates can reinstall Edge. Repeat your preferred method if needed. And that's the breakdown. Whether you prefer the quick method or the registry route, you now have the tools to uninstall Microsoft Edge cleanly from Windows 11. If this helped you take control of your PC, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more Windows tutorials and fixes. Got another Windows feature you would like to disable or customize? Drop it in the comments. Let's keep unlocking hidden tweaks together.